Hey, in my previous video I explained how you can download Flutter SDK and how to configure for Windows, and in this video I'm gonna teach you how you can install Android Studio and configure it for Flutter and to make a great application. This link is in the description. You can download the Android Studio from this link. Once you have downloaded and installed Android Studio, you can simply go to the configure and plugins, and on the plugins you have to search Flutter and install it. I have already installed this plugin. Once you install this plugin, you can click here, start a new Flutter project, and you have to select this new blank application. Next, and project name is app for video, and you have to select a location. I am going to select my app folder, and let's make a new folder for YouTube. Okay, select it, and next, here you can write the package name. For this application I have com.z.app for video. Click finish, and your first Flutter project is ready. Here you can find your files. This is the main file, which is located in the lib folder. Here it is. Okay, I will teach you each and everything written in this file. It is very easy. I personally use VS Code for Flutter development. In my next video I will teach you how you can install VS Code and how to configure it for Flutter development.